Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by focusing only on the geometry you will edit. First, isolate the mesh and hide distractions so selection is precise. Then inspect normals because removal behaves differently when faces are inverted. Correct normals to face outward to avoid holes or shading errors. Once done, switch to the modeling toolkit and set component selection to faces or vertices. Make sure soft selection is off for hard cuts, or on if you want smooth transitional removal. This setup reduces mistakes and speeds the next steps. Now you perform the actual removal. Use face selection and choose the area to remove. Drag select for blocks or control-click for single faces. When you press delete, you remove geometry, but leave potential orphan vertices and edges, so run mesh cleanup to eliminate zero-area faces and non-manifold geometry. Once removed, convert the selection to border to visualize open edges. This step shows you where gaps remain. Make sure to inspect topology, because clean removal prevents shading and deformation problems later on. To finish, close gaps and restore clean topology. For simple openings, use Mesh Fill Hole. For controlled flow, switch to Quad Draw or append to manually place quads and maintain edge loops. Afterwards, rebuild normals and run a smooth or sculpt pass to relax the new vertices so the surface reads correctly. Finally, freeze transforms and delete history to lock changes. If you see artifacts, check for non-manifold edges or duplicate vertices. Merge by distance and rerun cleanup to resolve these issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.